Okay, so today we are looking at this princess style makeup kit. Show me what we've got here.
We've got a ring, we've got some clip-on earrings, and we've got a bracelet and a necklace and some brushes and some blush, and we've got 4 nail polishes, and we've got some more blush, and we've got some lipstick and lip gloss and more eyeshadow.
And a mirror so you can see how beautiful you are. What are you most excited about?
I'm really excited about the lip gloss and the jewelry.
So you can immediately put that on. Some of this we're going to wait till you're a little older, but a lot of it you can use now, right? Mm-hmm. Well, that is awesome. What's your favorite color here?
I really like this one. It's like ocean blue.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Now, show me how you put it away. You simply keep that open. That's it. Really easy. So it's the same thing. Once you open it, it just pushes itself open. So that's really nice. That it's just easy to open and close. It's got everything there on display. And then this extra stuff is just loose. Really cool makeup kit. Check it out.